Good afternoon. This is Olatunji Olutayo Benjamin. I am currently in Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. I am studying for my master's degree in the Information and Communication Technology in Education Department. I am from Nigeria and I had studied for my undergraduate in the Business Education Department in Nigeria. So I count it a great privilege to participate in this self-nomination interview for the Microsoft Innovation for Experts in Education in the Educational Line program, the 2015-2016 program. It's a great privilege. So I have before me three set of questions. Number one, why do I consider myself to be a Microsoft Innovative Educator expert? I considered myself to be one because I am an educationalist, an academician, and because that that is what I have been studying all this while. And now coming here to study for my ICT in education, why I'm prompted is for me to be a good teacher, and a teacher that is enlightened in using ICT properly and effectively in the classroom. So I consider myself as a Microsoft innovative expert in the educational aspect. Let me quick go into the second question. Describe a lesson I have taught in which I have incorporated Microsoft technologies innovation in the class. However, I had taught in the secondary school in Nigeria where during my teaching practice, although the traditional system is still rampant in the Nigeria system of education, this is some of the problems which shall be solved later as we have many people in the ICT world in teaching. So however, I taught a computer study during the teaching practice, making use of dummy keyboards which we gave to the students, and we making use of good keyboard. We taught them on the right keys, how to navigate through the right keys through the keyboard. And although we used our laptop, but there was no projector to be used. But all these, now I am here in the Eastern Mediterranean University to learn about it. I also presented an application in my department, in the ICT department here, application using Visual Studio as an application to teach mathematics for the age 3 to 6 students, so that their teachers could go to download the right and necessary instructional material. I used the PowerPoint presentation in presenting my project to the class with my colleagues. Number two, describe a lesson. This number two is gone. Number three, how do I think being an MIE expert will impact my teaching? The privilege to be an MIE expert will impact my teaching positively. Positively, I mean, because the use of ICT in class now make teachers teaching to be as easier as possible, because I'll prepared my lesson notes ahead through PowerPoint and all other means that are available for this. Computer is available. So I will prepare my lesson notes through the PowerPoint ahead of the class. This makes my teaching to be easier. Okay, system is back. So making my teaching to be easier, and also the privilege to have met and we've been meeting with colleagues around the education colleagues in the educational line around the world, sharing ideas together with them. I will learn some ways in which they integrate ICT in their schools over there in their various countries which they shall be coming from. I'm going to learn these from these colleagues of mine which I'm expecting to meet at the MIE program. So their new ideas will impact positively on my teaching. Not just my teaching alone, because I plan to return back to Nigeria to organize seminars for teachers and professional development programs for teachers in teaching them on how we can use ICT in, in the classroom for the betterment of our teaching and for the betterment of the delivery of our subject matters in the class, and for the educational goals and the good educational outcome of the student in class, and for the betterment of our nation at large. Thank you.